Your flight leaves in 2 hours. You're standing in a long line at the airport. You check your passport again. You check your ticket again. You practice one sentence in your head. What if I don't understand the question? What if I say something wrong? Suddenly, it's your turn. The check-in agent looks at you and says, "Next, please." And your mind goes blank. Today, that will not happen. Today, you'll practice exactly what to say at the airport check-in counter, naturally and confidently. Let's begin. You are flying internationally. You walk to the check-in counter. You have your passport, your ticket, one suitcase. Let's start with the full natural speed conversation. Just listen first. Agent, good afternoon. Where are you flying today? Passenger, hi, I'm flying to London. May I see your passport, please? Of course. Here you go. Thank you. Do you have any bags to check in? Yes, just this suitcase. Please place it on the scale. Sure. All right, your bag is within the weight limit. Would you prefer a window or aisle seat? A window seat, please. No problem. Here is your boarding pass. Boarding begins at 10:20 at gate B12. Thank you. You're welcome. Have a pleasant flight. Thanks. Have a good day. That's it. Simple. Now let's break it down so you understand everything clearly. Agent, good afternoon. Where are you flying today? Very common question. Not, where are you going? But, where are you flying today? Your answer, I'm flying to London. Notice, not, I go to London. Say, I'm flying to. Repeat, I'm flying to Paris. I'm flying to Dubai. I'm flying to Toronto. Good. Agent, may I see your passport, please? This is polite. May I sounds formal and professional. Your response, of course. Here you go. Very natural English. Not, yes, take it. Say, of course. Here you go. Repeat, here you go. Good. Agent, do you have any bags to check in? Important phrase, check in. This means you give your suitcase to the airline. Answer, yes, just this suitcase. Or, no, I only have carry-on luggage. Repeat, carry-on luggage. Good. Agent, please place it on the scale. Scale equals the machine that checks weight. You say sure. Simple, natural, confident. Agent, your bag is within the weight limit. This means your bag is not too heavy. If it's too heavy, they may say, your bag exceeds the weight limit. Exceeds equals too much. Good vocabulary for intermediate level. Agent, would you prefer a window or aisle seat? Window equals near the window. Aisle equals near the walkway. You say, a window seat, please. Or, an aisle seat, please. Short, polite. Agent, here is your boarding pass. Boarding pass equals your ticket to enter the plane. Boarding begins at 10:20 at gate B12. Gate equals the place where you enter the airplane. Remember, boarding time is not departure time. Very important. Agent, have a pleasant flight. You reply, thank you. Or, thanks you too. Natural, friendly. Now, let's practice speaking. I'll say the sentence. Pause the video and repeat. Speak out loud. Ready? Good afternoon. Where are you flying today? I'm flying to London. May I see your passport, please? Of course. Here you go. Do you have any bags to check in? Yes, just this suitcase. Please place it on the scale. Your bag is within the weight limit. Would you prefer a window or aisle seat? A window seat, please. Here is your boarding pass. Boarding begins at 10:20. Thank you. Have a pleasant flight. Good. Again. Faster. Repeat key lines quickly. Now I'll be the agent. You respond. Agent, good afternoon. Where are you flying today? May I see your passport, please? Do you have any bags to check in? Window or aisle seat? If you answered smoothly, You're already more confident than before this video. Listen carefully. At the airport, they are not judging your grammar. They are not testing you. They just want information. Even if your sentence is not perfect, clear communication is enough. Confidence comes from preparation. And now, you are prepared. Speak slowly, not fast, not rushed. Clear beats fast. Instead of, I'm fleeing to London, say, I'm flying to London. Calm voice, steady tone. That alone changes how people respond to you. Now I want you to practice in the comments. Write this sentence. I'm flying. Fill in the city. I'll read your answers. Next time you stand at the check-in counter, you won't panic. You won't freeze. You'll smile, hand over your passport, and speak clearly. And that feels different. If this helped you, subscribe for more real-life English practice. See you in the next lesson.